You have probably heard before that when blood is donated, it's important that it is matched correctly, and that's true because blood type phenotypically varies. But do you know if the mother's and fetal's blood is mismatched, it can be fatal to the fetus? I'm Sri, you are watching Sri's Biosimplified. If you ask a random person what's your blood type, their answer could be A positive, B positive, or A negative, or anything else. But what determines their blood types? Exactly, DNA. There is a lot of phenotypes that are easy to tell: your eye color, your hair texture, your height, your skin color. But one phenotype that you can't just tell by looking is your blood type. Your blood is made up of many things: platelets, plasma, and red blood cells. But the differentiating thing is also present on the surface of blood cells, that is, proteins. In this case, we call it antigens. Our blood type is determined by the surface antigens. In classifying the type of blood of an individual, two systems comes into play, that is, ABO system and RH system. In ABO system, blood categorized as A or B or O. In RH system, the identification of blood, whether positive or negative, is done. As I already said, our blood has RBC. On the surface of RBC, there are some proteins. We call it antigens. These antigens defines our blood group. For example, a person with blood group A have antigen A on the surface of RBC. A person with blood group B have antigen B on the surface of RBC. Then, most importantly, a person with blood group O have no antigens on the surface of RBC. On the basis of presence or absence of antigens, we can identify a person's blood as whether A or B or O. Now, coming to our system of blood grouping, if extra antigen D is present on the surface of RBC other than A and B, it is termed RH positive, and if it is absent, it is termed RH negative. For an example, if a person blood group is B positive, then his RBC surface have antigen B and also antigen D because of the positive sign. Another example is if a person blood group is AB negative, the RBC surface have antigen A, also antigen B, but not antigen D because of the sign negative. On the basis of this two system of classification, there are 8 types of blood groups: A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, and O negative. But what is the use of these blood types? Our immune system produces antibodies against the antigens that we don't have. So, during transfusion, if wrong blood is injected, our antibodies will recognize the unknown antigen as an invader and start attacking it. This can cause transfused blood to clot, which can be potentially fatal. Do you know how the baby's blood group is determined? Consider father and mother both are having blood type A, then their baby's blood group could either be A or O. But in case where both the parents have blood group O, then the child's blood group should be O. In another case, father's blood group is A and mother's blood group is B, then the baby's blood group can be A, B, AB or O. This is how the blood group of child is determined on the basis of ABO blood group system. Under the RH system, if either of the parents is positive, then the probability of the baby's blood having RH antigen is high. If both the parents are negative, then the baby's blood group is negative. The identification of RH system is really important because if the mother is negative, then the fetus is positive. then the second child is highly prone to anemia. Because if the fetus blood having antigen D is transfused with the mother's blood, which is not having antigen D, the mother's immune system detects fetus blood as invader. Hence, it destroys antigen D of the fetus blood. In the first delivery, the mother's immune system detects and forms a WBC army against antigen D. Hence, during second pregnancy, most of the fetus RBCs are destroyed, causing anemia or even erythroblastosis fetalis. To prevent these, the mother is administered with anti-D antibodies.